Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the 11 best platforms to create and sell online courses. Today, anyone can share knowledge as quickly and easily as you can upload a video to YouTube. But to explore a topic in depth, build a community, earn an income, or grow your business by selling online courses, that takes a more robust setup to help you design course pages, build out a curriculum, and promote your course. That's where online course platforms come into play. With ready-made infrastructure designed to make it quick, easy, and profitable to build an online course, these apps streamline the whole process, so you can focus on your content and students. We researched and tested dozens of apps for creating and selling online courses, and these are our picks for the best. Number 1. Udemy for launching your first course. While the earliest massive open online courses, MOOCs, made learning accessible, Udemy took it a step further. It made teaching online possible. Today, the platform has over 40 million students enrolled in its courses and an instructor base of more than 65,000. To create a paid course on Udemy, you first have to apply to become a premium instructor. Once approved, you'll see a series of easy-to-follow steps to help you create your first course. As you plan course content, keep in mind that all courses need at least 30 minutes of video and 5 lectures. You're also welcome to add quizzes, assignments, coding exercises, and discussion prompts. Number 2. Skillshare for teaching creative skills. If you're an entrepreneur, designer, writer, photographer, or blogger looking to teach your craft online, Skillshare is great for teaching creative skills. You'll find courses on all kinds of topics, both popular and niche: marketing, photography, cooking, hand painting, doodling, and even wall hanging. The platform offers a membership plan for students that gives them access to all of its 35,000 plus premium courses. As for creators, it's free to sign up and publish a course, but if you want to get paid, it must be a part of Skillshare's premium catalog. Free or premium, Skillshare classes have 3 major moving parts: video lessons, a project, and community discussion. Number 3. Teachable for creating an online school with advanced marketing. Teachable helps savvy course creators grow and nurture an online audience. To begin with, the platform offers various options to customize the look and feel of your course. Build a website that reflects your brand, create sales pages for launching your course, and if you happen to know some code, use the Power Editor to tinker with it. If not, edit the templates available. Teachable's Course Builder accepts files from Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive, among other content formats. There's flexibility when pricing your course too. You can offer courses on their own or in bundles, and choose between a one-time fee, a payment plan, or a subscription. Number 4. Podia for selling digital products and memberships. Podia lets you build an online store for your digital content. Create online courses, digital downloads, and even membership sites, all as part of one digital storefront. All Podia storefronts have a similar template, which is helpful if you find too many options overwhelming. Each store's landing page includes an overview, a what's included section, a content section, FAQs, and creator bios. And all courses, memberships, and digital downloads have a separate landing page. Once you create an online course, you can publish it immediately or pre-launch it to collect emails. If you have additional resources to supplement your course: cheat sheets, ebooks, videos, audio, text, checklists, sell them as a digital download. You can also bundle and sell the two together. Number 5. Thinkific for building a course from scratch. Putting together your first online course can be daunting. How many lessons should you include? Where should you add assignments and quizzes? What other file types should you include? Thinkific takes the guesswork out of course creation with its simple and ready-to-use templates. There are 2 parts to creating a course on Thinkific: course material and landing page. To get started, choose from the following templates: pre-sell, mini-course, flagship course, membership resource library, and webinar replay. Unlike other course builders, where you start with a blank slate, Thinkific templates provide helpful cues and tips to build a valuable course. Apart from video lessons, the templates are pre-populated with sample quizzes, downloads, surveys, and instructor messages at regular intervals throughout the course. Add or remove content as you see fit, or follow the template as is. Number 6. Kajabi for marketing a course on autopilot. Kajabi gives marketing superpowers to busy course creators. Its marketing blueprints, called pipelines, help you create an entire marketing funnel from landing page and opt-ins to emails and course checkout with just a few clicks. Here's an example. The freebie pipeline consists of 3 touch points. The first is a landing page where you collect emails in exchange for a free downloadable, such as an ebook or cheat sheet. When a visitor enters their email, they're subscribed to your freebie email sequence, where you can thank them for signing up and upsell your course. If they choose to purchase, they're taken to a thank you page. And that's it. Number 7. Learn Worlds for creating an online school. Ever dreamt of starting your own school? Now you can. Learn Worlds helps you set up an online school website with multiple teachers and a course catalog. Add instructors and select the courses you want them to teach. While instructors can author courses, they cannot publish a new course or change general settings. As admin of your school, offer as many courses as you like, with various pricing options. For an added fee, you can even get a branded app for your school. Number 8. Mighty Networks for building a paid community. Mighty Networks helps you build a vibrant, active paid community around your online course. The app focuses broadly on community building, which includes paid groups, events, and you guessed it, online courses. Users can sell individual courses, community membership, or bundle a combination of the two. Memberships can be priced as a one-time payment or subscription, and pricing is 100% custom. Each course can be priced separately or offered for free to paying members. Number 9. Pathright for building action-oriented courses. With Pathright, you can launch an online course that's designed to be 100% actionable for learners. The app's course creator is one of the most fluid and intuitive of the software we tested. That action-oriented approach to course curriculum is no exception. Start by building out the outline of your course syllabus, then add specific actions for students to complete. When you add each step, Pathright enables you to choose the action students need to perform from a drop-down menu: watch, read, take, submit, attend, listen, or to do. The result is a clear path, their term, that leads learners through the course material. Number 10. Experienceify for gamifying your online course. Online courses have a notoriously low completion rate across the board, with many learners abandoning the course long before they finish. That's what Experienceify aims to remedy. By allowing instructors to gamify courses and turn learning into a more engaging experience, the app promises to boost your completion rates by as much as 10 to 30%. For each module students complete, they earn experience points, called XPs. Instructors can set the XP value of each module and elements within it during the course creation process. Number 11. Simplero for managing your business. If you're looking for a capable, customizable online course builder, you can't go wrong with Simplero. Creating and outlining your course curriculum is super quick. Click the Create a New Course button, and a few screens later, you're ready to build out your curriculum and add your learning content. But Simplero isn't just a course creation app, it's more like a CRM, marketing automation, and online course tool in one package. That's reflected in the robust automation and list management features included in the app. You can build, publish, and market courses, track sales and financials, and maintain your customer list all in one app. That's all about today, guys. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.